Hi everyone, this is Will Mobest with Miracosta College. I'm currently the instructor of CSIT 172 Windows Networking Environment, and this video will cover DFS namespaces. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the roles and features. So I'm going to click Add Roles and Features. I'm going to do a role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. Verify the host name and IP address, and then click Next. Now I'm going to scroll down just a bit and expand file and storage services. I'm going to expand file and iSCSI services. Scroll down. I'm going to select DFS namespaces, and this will prompt me for a feature installation as well. I'm going to hit Add Features and Next. There's no additional features that we need, so I'm just going to hit Next again, and we don't need to restart. So I'm just going to go ahead and install. And this can take up to 5 minutes. This is going to go really quick because this server has been virtualized, but if you do this on a physical box, it will take a little bit longer. So the reason that DFS namespaces are important is because it allows us to use uniform naming conventions when we're accessing specific shares. And I'll show you an example of that once we have everything configured. I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm going to go to this alert notification and close it. And now I'm going to click off and go to Tools. And we're going to go to DFS Management. And we're going to click in this top right-hand pane. We're going to click New Namespace. And the server that we were working on is prac app. And we're going to hit Next. And we're going to name our namespace. So I'm just going to call this DFS. I don't need to mess with these additional settings, so I'm just going to accept the defaults and hit Next. I'm going to set it up for maximum compatibility, so I'm going to enable Windows Server 2008 mode and hit Next. And we're going to create our namespace. Okay. Now we're going to hit Close. And we're going to expand namespaces over here in DFS Management. And we're going to expand it again. There's nothing in there, so now we can go ahead and hit this namespace. And over here in the top right-hand corner, we're going to add a new folder. And we're going to call this one Temp. And our folder target, we're going to hit Add. It's going to ask for the path for the folder target. Now we're going to hit Browse, and these are some existing shares that I already have on the server, so I'm just going to click the one called Temp because it's already been shared, and I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit OK again, and OK again, and now I have set up a folder under DFS. Now I'm going to show you how we can access this from a uniform naming convention. So I'm going to open Windows Explorer, and in the address bar I'm going to hit // CSIT172.local/DFS/temp. And hit Enter. Now that folder that I share had some files in it, and now we can access that with the uniform naming convention. So if we look up here, this gives us a little bit more standardization, and we don't have to rely on having to know all the server names of the different shares. We can simply add those folders to the DFS namespace.